Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, like that, and here we've got the recents. And if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. Alright, so let's open the recents, and all we have to do here is to simply tap on close. That was really easy. Let's enter the recents to check, and as you can see here, we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.